Greetings, Daniels here. This is Visual Studio Code running on Ubuntu 1904, and this is Visual Studio Code 1.3.4. One of the really handy things you will discover if you install it is that if you right-click, you can rename all of the, or change all the occurrences of a particular word. In this case, I want to change email to title. So I right click, change all occurrences, Control F2, and I start typing. And you can see that now all of the instances of email have been changed to title. All right, I hope that is useful for you. It's certainly useful for me. Thanks for watching and happy computing.